With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a wave is described by y equal to a sine omega t minus kx, the speed of which the flowing particles in the medium are increasing at time t equal to 0. Clear? And options are, we can see, this is at x equal to 0 and x equal to pi divided by 4k, and C option we can see x equal to pi by 2k, and the D option we can see x equal to 3 pi by k. Clear? Now, it is given that y is equal to a sine omega t and minus kx. So a speed in the medium will be increasing if acceleration and the velocity both are in the same direction. Acceleration and velocity will be in same direction. Be in same direction. Clear? Now we have to find the acceleration and the velocity from here. So y is equal to, given this, so as we know, v is equal to dy and divided by dx. So this is equal to a omega, and this is cos omega t minus kx. Clear? Differentiation of this is this. Clear? Now at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, this v is equal to a omega cos, and we can write this is equal to minus kx. So this t is 0, so minus kx we can write, and cos minus theta equal to cos theta, so this is equal to a omega and cos kx we can write. Clear? Now acceleration. For acceleration, a is equal to dv by dt or d2y and divided by dt or dv by dt, and this is equal to, when we differentiate this, so this is equal to a omega square minus a omega square, we can see, because differentiation of this cos x is equal to minus sine, so this is equal to sine omega t and minus kx. This we can write. Clear? Now at t equal to 0, we can see this acceleration at t equal to 0. Acceleration a is equal to minus a omega square sine omega t and minus kx we can write. So at t equal to 0, this term is what? 0. This term is 0, so this is equal to minus a omega square sine, and this term is 0, so minus kx we can write. And we also know that sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. From here we can find this is equal to a omega square and sine kx. This clear? Now coming to the option. In the first option it is given that x equal to 0. So in the first option it is given that x is equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then we can write v is equal to, from here we can write, this is the v is, this x equal to 0, it means this is the a omega, that is positive. V is positive and a is what? Here we can see that this 0, so this acceleration is equal to 0. So velocity is constant in this case, we can see. Clear? So in this case we can write velocity is constant. Clear? Now in the second case, we can see that x is equal to, we can see in the option, x equal to pi by 4k. So for pi by 4k, we have to put in this velocity and the acceleration. So at pi by 4k, we can see that velocity is this a omega cos kx and pi by 4k. So when we put pi by 4k, then we will get k cancel, and this is equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4, this is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is positive. Clear? So we can see at x equal to pi and divided by 4k, at which we can see that v is positive, v positive, and a pi by 4. So we can see that from here this is also positive. Clear? So acceleration is also positive. Acceleration positive and v is positive. It means we can see that in this case velocity will increase. Clear? So we can write here velocity will increase in this case. Clear? Now in the C option we can see that in the C option we can see, and in the C it is given that x is equal to, just 1 second, it is given that x is equal to pi by 2k, and D option 3 pi by 4k, pi by 2k. So if you put pi by 2k, this is equal to pi and divided by 2k. So here we can see that from here k and k cancel out, so pi by 2, this is equal to 0, means v is equal to 0, and a pi by 2k, this is what, positive, if you put here. So a is what, positive, you can write. Clear? So from here we can see that v is 0 but a is positive, so we can see that in this case also velocity will increase. Clear? So in this case also we can write velocity will increase. Clear? Because this v is 0 but a is what, positive, that's why. Now in the D case, in the D part it is given that x is equal to 3 pi and divided by 4k. This in the D part it is given that 3 pi and divided by 4k. So at this we can see that this is equal to 3 pi and divided by 4k. So velocity is this, we can see this is the velocity. So 3 pi by 4k, k and k cancel out, and this is equal to, we can see 3 pi and divided by 4. So 3 pi by 4, and that is equal to, we can see here, this is equal to in the 45 and 3 ja. So in the second quadrant, so this is negative. Velocity is the negative. So we can write velocity negative, and acceleration 3 pi by 4k in the second quadrant positive. So acceleration is what, positive. Clear? So we can see that velocity is negative and acceleration is positive. So in this case velocity will decrease. We can write velocity will decrease here. Velocity will decrease. Clear? Now according to option we can see that only B and C. In B and C velocity will increase. So B and C is the right option for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.